shot, you don't hold it an upper hand. And now round two, you even lose more of the upper hand, and that's why these double A pitchers are double A, because they have to, if you got the advantage, you keep it, you barely have a chance, and you just can't.
What'd that frisbee do?
Even some of
Did
the
you tell it? Tell it. Tell it, frisbee.
and Spartan, you can't let them get it because they're going to hit the ball hard.
He's a bad frisbee. You get it. I know, my good boy. He's a good boy. I know. You tell it, it's a bad frisbee. I know. Go get it. Go get that frisbee, Zeke. Get your frisbee. Get your frisbee. Get your frisbee, Zeke. Get your frisbee, Zeke. Well, get it. The couch don't itch, honey. Get your frisbee. Go get it. We'll get that frisbee. Zeke, get your frisbee, honey. No, get off the plants. Get your frisbee. Get your frisbee, Zeke. Stop licking the couch. Go get it. Go get it.